China's technology shocked the world. But how did it happen? Inside these factories, machines work with incredible precision. Every breakthrough begins with years of research and engineering. Factories now build thousands of electric vehicles every day.
Artificial intelligence is transforming how products are made.
Technology is reshaping transportation at remarkable speed. Millions of computers process enormous amounts of information. The race for technological leadership now reaches into space. Every innovation is changing the future faster than expected. Now, let's discover exactly how this technological revolution was built. But this was only the beginning of an extraordinary transformation. Automation increased speed while maintaining consistent quality. Every new chip required precision, testing, and constant improvement. Engineers focused on improving quality with every new design. Universities trained a new generation of engineers and innovators. Just decades ago, China's technology industry looked very different. Factories started with simple products and skilled manual labor. Products made in China began reaching customers around the world. Smart logistics helped deliver technology across the globe. Technology parks became centers for research and innovation. AI systems inspected every product before it left the factory. The next step was building factories unlike anything seen before. Finished products were packaged and prepared for global markets. Robots worked day and night with remarkable accuracy. Every production area was designed for extreme precision. Next, we'll see how artificial intelligence accelerated this transformation. Driverless robots kept production moving around the clock. A global logistics network delivered technology to millions of customers. High-precision machines created parts measured in microns. Control rooms monitored every machine in real time. Automation keeps goods moving around the clock. Railways and highways connect factories to ports.
Some products travel by air for faster delivery.
Every shipment is tracked in real time. Cleaner energy is becoming part of modern manufacturing. New technologies face demanding performance tests. Distribution centers organize millions of products. Technology reaches customers across the globe.
These innovations support work, communication, and transportation.
Finished technology products begin their global journey here. Artificial intelligence predicts and improves production.
Next, we'll see how these technologies influence the global economy.
Successful prototypes move into pilot production. Only approved designs reach full production. Next, we'll explore the future of global innovation. Drone production also expanded with advanced automation.
Communication equipment required strict quality checks before shipment.
Microchips demanded some of the cleanest factories in the world. Technology keeps the modern world connected every day.
Advanced factories soon began producing millions of electric vehicles. Every battery pack was carefully assembled and tested.
New ideas continue transforming industries worldwide.
Engineers continue improving intelligent robots. Researchers work to improve energy storage. The story isn't over. There's still more to discover.
Automation is becoming faster and more accurate.
The next generation of innovation is already taking shape. Powerful computing supports future technologies. Smarter transportation continues to evolve.
Factories are becoming more energy efficient.
Global collaboration accelerates innovation. Battery production relies on speed and accuracy.
Ideas move quickly from design to production.
Behind every innovation is an entire technology ecosystem.
Precision manufacturing continues around the clock.
It starts with ultra-thin fiber optic cables. New machines are tested before entering factories. Engineers monitor billions of digital connections. Automation keeps every production stage connected.
Every innovation depends on thousands of connected systems. Finished products travel to customers across the globe. Quality remains essential before products reach the world.
Control centers coordinate thousands of operations at once.
Innovation has become a global competition.
Every breakthrough pushes technology even further.
Artificial intelligence now supports every production stage.
After inspection, every product was prepared for worldwide delivery. Products face demanding tests before reaching customers.
Tomorrow's cities are already being built today.
These innovations are now part of everyday life.
One final question remains. What comes next? Global transportation, connected factories to customers everywhere.
Artificial intelligence is not replacing human curiosity. It is becoming another tool that people use to explore, create, and solve problems.
But building the products was only part of the story.
These innovations quickly became part of daily life across the world.
Years of research made this transformation possible. Global logistics keeps innovation moving. These cables carry information at the speed of light. Now, we reach the final chapter of the story. Production begins when thousands of parts arrive every day. Technology now connects billions of people every day.
Only approved designs reach full production.
Behind every product is a massive manufacturing network.
Precision robots assemble delicate electronics in seconds.
Modern technology depends on fast global communication.
Data centers keep digital services running every second.
Smart warehouses organize millions of components automatically.
The next breakthrough may already be underway. Factories are becoming smarter every year. Successful prototypes move into pilot production. Innovation continues in laboratories around the world. Thanks for watching. Which technology surprised you the most?
From factories, these technologies reach the entire world. Every innovation begins with research, precision, and teamwork.
Innovation continues changing how we live and work.
Artificial intelligence predicts and improves production.
New technologies face demanding performance tests. Next, we'll see how these technologies influence the global economy.
The race for technology is far from over. The future will be shaped by the innovations built today. From the factory, products begin their journey around the world. Automation speeds up packaging and global distribution.
Every board is inspected before moving to the next stage.
Robots move delicate silicon wafers with extreme care. Autonomous transport is changing industrial logistics.
Robots are becoming more capable with every generation.
Everything begins inside one of the world's cleanest factories.
Each manufacturing step requires incredible precision. Live data helps factories avoid delays and improve quality. Microscopic circuits are created layer by layer.
Even a tiny dust particle can damage a computer chip.
Artificial intelligence keeps improving efficiency.
Microscopic circuits are created layer by layer.
Each manufacturing step requires incredible precision. Even a tiny dust particle can damage a computer chip. The next chapter explores the global race for innovation. These chips power today's most advanced technologies.
Each chip is carefully packaged for protection.
The finished wafer is divided into tiny computer chips. Innovation grows through research and collaboration. Every new design undergoes extensive testing. As you can see on the holo display, the simulation shows a 40% efficiency gain with the new algorithm. That aligns with the Q3 targets. Caucasian male engineers are building even more powerful computer chips.
Everything begins inside one of the world's cleanest factories.
Robots move delicate silicon wafers with extreme care.
Every wafer is inspected before moving forward. Technology now connects people and industries worldwide.
Connected devices share information instantly.
Every product starts as a digital design.
Innovation never stops. Every day begins with new ideas.
Engineers refine every design before mass production. Artificial intelligence helps keep networks stable. Next, we'll see how these technologies connect the world.
Next, we'll explore the innovations shaping tomorrow.
Factories also rely on constant digital communication. Prototype parts are built and tested quickly.
Each battery is tested for safety and performance.